Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through installing WP Ad Manager and creating your first ad. By the end of this video, you'll have a working ad displayed on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, let's install the plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type WP Ad Manager. You'll see WP Ad Manager by Webcom Designs. Click Install now. Once it's installed, click Activate. Great, the plugin is now active. You'll see a new menu item called Web Ad Manager in your sidebar. Great, the plugin is now active. You'll see a new menu item called WP Ad Manager in your sidebar. When you first activate, you'll see the Setup wizard. This walks you through the basic configuration. Start Setup to begin. First, choose whether to show an ad label, that's the small text that says Advertisement. Most sites use this for transparency. Next, decide if you want to hide ads from logged-in administrators. I recommend turning this on so you can see your site without ads while working. If you use Google AdSense, enter your publisher ID here. You can find this in your AdSense dashboard. It starts with Pub. If you don't use AdSense, just skip this step. Now let's create your first ad. Click on WP Ad Manager in the sidebar, then click Add New. Give your ad a name. This is just for your reference, visitors won't see it. I'll call this Sidebar Banner. Choose your ad type. For this example, I'll select Image Ad. Now I'll upload my banner image. Click Upload Image, and select a file from your media library or upload a new one. Add a destination URL. This is where visitors go when they click the ad. Scroll down to Placement. This is where your ad will appear. I'll select Widget since I want this in my sidebar. Finally, click Publish. Congratulations! Your first ad is created. Since we chose widget placement, we need to add the WP Ad Manager widget to a sidebar. Go to Appearance, then Widgets. Find the WP Ad Manager widget and drag it to your sidebar. Or click to add it if you're using the block widget editor. Select the ad we just created from the drop-down. Save the widget, and now let's check our site. View the front end. Ad is displayed. And there you have it. Your first ad is now live on your WordPress site. From here, you can explore more placement options, set up targeting rules, add more ads, and much more. Check the description for links to more tutorials, or visit our documentation for advanced features. Thanks for watching, and happy monetizing!